Hi guys, it's Crystal with Design Bundles. Today I'm going to show you guys how to use the Cricut Smart sticker paper with your Cricut Explore 3. So let's go ahead and get started. Let's go over the supplies we're using today. So we're going to be using Cricut's Smart Paper Sticker Cardstock. This is exciting because you don't need a mat for this. You're just going to be able to load it right into your machine. We're going to use some pins with this project. And the file that I'm using today is this super cute Be a Good Human. This could be on a t-shirt. You could do whatever you want with this SVG, but I thought it would be great to make some stickers. Now, I love to make stickers that I throw in my packaging, or you can put them on the outside of your packaging. So that's what I'm going to be creating today. Now, as you guys can see, I'm using a heart here for my shape around my stickers, but if you were using a desktop or a laptop, you could definitely use that offset feature in Cricut Design Space. Now, one thing that I want to point out that I love about using the iPad with the Cricut Explore 3 or any of the Cricut machines is it lines up very nicely. You see how you get those grid marks? You only get this with the iPad. So if you guys haven't tried the iPad with your Cricut, definitely check it out. So what I'm doing here is I'm going to go ahead and tell it that my SVG, I want it to be a draw file, and I'm going to choose the proper pen that I'm using. Now what I want to do is select both of these and attach them so they cut and draw in the same spot. So my heart is a cut file and my Be a Good Human is a draw file. All right, so now what I want to do is duplicate these. Now, once again, as you guys can see that, you can see those grids. I can select all of those and continue to add them. It's really easy. So if you guys make stickers for a living, whether it's your shop or for yourself, definitely, once again, check out an iPad. All right, so we're going to go ahead. We're going to group everything together so it stays in place, and we're going to go ahead and send it over. I'm going to tell it I'm not using a mat, and I'm going to choose the proper settings for this, which is the Smart sticker paper. All right, first thing it's telling us to do is go ahead and load our pen in here, and then what's exciting, once again, no mat. I'm just going to load this right into the machine. Now, I will point out with this material, you can't use the foil pen. I was hoping to do that, but we'll do that in a separate video with regular sticker paper. So keep that in mind that you can't use your foil pen with this material. All right, so what I'm going to do is go ahead and hit go. The machine's going to go ahead and draw everything out for us first, and then it's going to cut around. So one thing to point out with this is it's not going to fill anything in for us, but after the fact, you can use colored pencils. You can use the same pen that you're using in the machine or other pens, paints to fill these in. I've done tons of stuff with these pens, like, invitations and all sorts of stuff. All right, let's go ahead and unload it. Now, the way that this works is this is actually a kiss cut. So if you want a die cut setting, you want to choose something that's going to go a little bit deeper into this, which we could test in another video with this material because it has a plastic backing. So I'm going to go ahead and show you guys really quickly, just filling this in with a couple different things. So here's a colored pencil. So as you guys can see, you can kind of just go through here and fill these in. If you're somebody that's impatient, you definitely do not have to do this. This is unnecessary, but if it's something that you want to make just a little bit more special, you can take some time to fill these in, is what I wanted to point out. Now, the next one I want to show you is using like a metallic gold pen. This really kind of spruces stuff up, especially if you guys are doing invitations or stickers. With these sticker papers, they come in black as well. You could do the metallic pins, and that would be really pretty to create the place tags for weddings or, gift tags for a gift. So now I'm filling this one in with the same gel pen that I used to draw it, and it just looks super great. So like I said, it really doesn't take too long to do this, so it's just an extra step if you guys wanted to add it in. So as you guys can see, that kiss cut was absolutely perfect. I hope you guys enjoyed this. I hope you guys found it helpful. If you did, please hit the like button down below and subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next one.